everybody, it's Larry with Flying Out Comics. Coming back with the final chapter of the Men's Adventures 25. I got the book back from CGC today, and I just wanted to share with you the results. So if you remember, this book started out as a 2.0, and we went through an arduous process of reassembling the entire book. And it was such a mess that the pages were brittle, falling apart, and every single wrap was split in half. The book was basically split in half. So we reassembled it, we de-acidified it, and put everything back together as nice and clean. And I wanted to share with you, we took a 2.0 to a conserved 6.5. This was a big surprise for me. I was not expecting the grade to come back this good, but I'm quite pleased with it. So let's go ahead and recap what we did with this book.
When I first got this book, it was graded a 2.0 because the original owner had taken it out of the CGC case, and once they found out all the pages were split at the spine and they all fell out, literally, it was downgraded to a 2.0 accurately, I might add. With page split like that, even a 2.0 is being very giving, given the condition of the interior of the book. As you can see here, all of the pages were completely separated. And you can see the original CGC tag that came with the book. I carefully went through each and every page in the previous videos, which if you want to see the full video of the deconstruction and reconstruction of this book, I recommend going over and just watching the videos. They're not too horribly narrated by me, but quite enjoyable and hopefully quite educational for you. But as you can see here, each and every wrap is a single page. Everything is just separated. It was a very, very difficult build to put back together. And I want to give a shout out to Dr. Paul at Liberty Hill Comics. He was the one that gave me the inspiration to go ahead and tackle a project this size. And I'd also like to thank Rick Morgan at Immaculate Comics. I use his tools frequently, and he is a tremendous source, or I should say resource, for information. He is a chemist by trade, and he knows pretty much everything about everything when it comes to chemistry of comic books. I recommend going to his channel as well as Liberty Hill. So as you can see, I went through this book, and the pages were quite brittle, as CGC originally graded it. The back cover had some foxing on it, but that was dealt with through the treatments in the other videos. And as you can see here on the original CGC label, the book was graded at a 6.0 with slightly brittle pages. And there's a close-up of the tag, CGC tag. Now on to the final results. This came back as a conserved 6.5. Now the conservation I was very happy with. It shows restoration included, pieces added to the interior, spine split sealed to the interior, and the cover was reinforced. This is exactly what I wanted, and I was very pleased with the results. And as always, if you like what you see here at the channel, I try to put out a video at least once a week. And please like and subscribe. And tell me what you think. Feel free to leave me a comment. And I'll also put in links to Liberty Hill Comics and to A1 Comics and Immaculate Comics in the description. Thank you for your support, and please subscribe.